Before I built this pergola, I had a million questions and zero clear answers. I'm not a professional contractor, but after doing the research and talking to the experts, this is the result. Here are 6 things you absolutely need to know before you drill that first hole. Let's start with the base, the foundations. I went with concrete footings, roughly 10 by 10 inches. It's the perfect size to guarantee stability without wasting too much material. Trust me, if you go any smaller, you're risking the entire structure shifting on you down the road. Now, about the lumber, I used 2 by 6 beams. For a pergola up to 12 feet wide, this is the recommended minimum. It gives you that solid, massive look without feeling too heavy, and it keeps the structure strong for years to come. Here's a tip that'll save you from leaks inside your house. When you're drilling the ledger board into the wall, angle your drill slightly upward. Why? So the hole in your wall doesn't turn into a drain that traps water and leaks into your home during the winter. Don't build a perfectly flat roof. You need at least a 2% slope for proper water drainage. 1% is just too risky. It can lead to pooling in certain spots. 2%? That's the sweet spot. And finally, stability. Something to ease your mind. Once you bolt that post into the bracket, don't worry, it's not going anywhere. But you do need an extra pair of hands just to make sure everything is perfectly level during the connection. And whatever you do, don't skip the corner braces. Without them, your pergola will sway every time the wind picks up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting projects. And look, if you're still hesitating, here's my biggest piece of advice. Just build it. There's really nothing to be afraid of. It's a lot simpler than it looks, and you definitely don't have to be an engineer to pull this off. Because of the scale of this project, you've got room to breathe. An inch more or less isn't going to be visible or ruin the structure. So don't overthink it, just get started. And hey, don't forget to share your results with me. That's it, my pergola is finished, and man, it feels amazing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be posting the full build process next time. See you on the next project.